DM61 VET Installation Guidance. Before installation, please refer to the table to inspect the operation environment of the analyzer. Please make sure that the environment meets the operation requirements first, and then start the installation. Check whether any damages exist in the external containers. After confirming that the packing container of the analyzer is in good condition, please remove the packing container of the analyzer. Cut wrapping film and packing trap. When open the main unit box, there is a manual and the protective foam. Take out the protective foam. There is main unit, accessory container, and waste container. Observe whether the analyzer's appearance is integral, whether the joint back of the analyzer is integral and free of deformation. In case of any damage or deformation, please take photos and contact us immediately. Open the accessory container. There are power cable, reagent connection tube, diluent and waste solution connection tube, external ground wire. To install DM61 VET, we still need to prepare reagents which showing here. At least 2 persons lift the device on both left and right sides of the main unit, with both hands placed at the moving marks on both sides of the device. Insert a slot-type screwdriver into the card slot on the right side door and rotate 90 degrees clockwise to open the right door. Take down 2 binder clips that fix the belt from the sampling component. Inspect whether the interior tube of the analyzer is damaged or bent. Take out the reagent tubing components from the accessory box. Connect to the analyzer. Connect tubing assembly to diluent and waste tank. The float sensor shall be kept as vertical as possible during installation. Open small door on the left side of the analyzer and then connect the internal reagents. Please remove all the aluminum films from the reagent bottles. Close the small door. Use the latch at the upper right corner of the printer door to pull the door open. Load the record paper into the paper cavity with the outer side facing upwards, and pull some paper out of the paper outlet. Close the printer door. Connect power cable. Turn on the machine. Log in as admin account. Go to Setup Interface, click Gain Setting to adjust the HGB blank voltage to 4.5 voltage. Go to Service Interface, click Maintain and then click Cleanser Soak. Prepare cleanser, open the cap. Put it under the needle and click the aspiration key. According to the installation guide, conduct performance tests on the analyzer.